Hello friends, you have finished section formula of coordinate geometry, derivation of that formula. Now in this lecture you will study about the some examples. What is the section formula? That is x comma y, a point which divide a line in the two parts, two ratio m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. It is called your section formula. Coordinate of a point which divide a line segment in the two parts m1 ratio m2, and it is a point given whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2. You will get the coordinate of this point by this formula. Now examples 6 of the textbook you see, if it is a midpoint, if C is midpoint, then m1 ratio m2 is equal to 1 ratio 1. So xy will be calculated by, which is called point C. How will you get? m1 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 upon 1 plus 1, comma 1 into y2 by this m1 into 1 into y1 upon 1 plus 1. It gives you x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. It is a coordinate of midpoint. Midpoint of any line you can calculate. It is a section formula, and this section formula gives you the coordinate of midpoint. Coordinate of midpoint means it also divides line in fixed ratio. Example 6 is given. Find the example 6. Example 6 is given. Find the coordinate of point which divide a line segment joining. You can write like this: 4 comma 3, 4 comma minus 3, 8, joining 8 comma 5 in the ratio 3 is to 1. That is x comma y, it is 3 and 1. Ratio is m1 ratio m2 is given 3 ratio 1. You want to find out the coordinate of this point. So using section formula, therefore C xy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1. In the book it is given m2 x1. It is given first place. It is so commutative law. A plus b or b plus a, the same thing. If it is m1 and it is m2, so 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4 divide by 3 plus 1. First place 3 into 5 y1 y2, 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 3 upon 3 plus 1. Directly 8 3 is 24 plus 4 upon 4, 5 3 is 15 minus 3 upon 4. What will you get? 28 upon 4 comma 12 by 4, 7 3. So coordinate of point C x comma y is 7 comma 3. So the point 7 3 divide the line segment AP in the two parts 3 is to 1. Question number 7 is given. Example 7, not question number 7. So you will learn this formula. Example 7 is given. Example 7 is given. If in what ratio does the point -4, 6 divide the line segment joining -6, 10, A -6, 10, it is given -6, 10, which is A, and B is given 3, -8. A point is given C, whose coordinate is given -4, 6. You want to find out M1 ratio M2. M1 ratio M2 you want to find out. So you can get this by a formula. M1 ratio M2 is not given. It is M1 and it is M2, but XY is given. Here X1 Y1, here X2 Y2. It is given. So what is the X? X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. What is the X here? X is given -4. -4 is equal to M1. What is the M1? Not given. M1 into X2. M1 into X2. X2 means 3. Plus M2 into X1. X1 means -6. Divide by M1 plus M2. Cross multiply. You will get -4 M1 plus M2 is equal to, cross multiply this, 3 M1 minus 6 M2. So -4 M1 minus 3 M1 this side. From this side -4 M2 will go that side. It will be +4 M2. My open and then transpose. 4 minus 3 minus 7 M1 is equal to -2 M2. Minus and minus cancel. M1 and M2 will come this side. So M1 upon M2, 2 is here and 7 will go that side, 2:7. So M1 ratio M2 is equal to 2:7 you are getting. But why it is true or not, that will be calculated. Calculate Y. Using this you calculate Y, then verify it is correct. Otherwise you can't write here, because here 6 is given. There 6 is coming or not, you check here. M2 Y1 plus M1 Y2 upon M1 plus M2. Anyone you can write M1 Y2. M1 Y2 or M2 Y1. Anything you can write. What is M2? M2 is given 7. 7 into, what is the Y1? 7. M2 into Y1 10. 7 into 10 plus M1. M1 means here M1 ratio M2 you are getting, what is 2:7, means it is 2 and it is 7 you are getting. So 2 into -8. 2 into -8 upon 7 plus 2 or 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. What are you getting? 10 7 ja 70 minus 16 upon 9. So 16, 4. Here what will you get? 5. 6 minus 1, 5 by 9. 9, 6 ja. Y is equal to C. It is verified. Verified, your correct answer is correct. If it is not coming, then again you put it 6th side. You can get from Y also. If you take as the place of X, I will take Y, then also you will get the same answer. So it is the solution you are getting. Example number 7. Verification is very important. And one more method for this question is, you can use the K plus 1. You can use the, sometimes you can use the K plus 1. Or you can use relate ratio K plus 1. So what will you get here? C is -4, 6. It is K and it is 1. It is A. X1, Y1, it is B. X2, Y2. Same question. -6, 10. And 3 minus 8. What is the X? k into 3. K into 3 plus 1 into minus 6 upon k plus 1. X is given minus 4. Minus 4 into k plus 1 is equal to 3k minus 6. So minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 3k minus 6. So minus 4k minus 3k is equal to minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Minus 7k is equal to this, then k is equal to minus 2 by minus 7. That is 2 by 7. Means k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7. Also you can get by alternate method. It is your alternate method, you can get this thing and easily you can calculate. That's all for today. Rest I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks.